Shellowfishes, autumn is here, so today I am preparing for a mermaid photo shoot I wanted to do, in which it will be, fall-y and outside in nature. And I'm gonna make this craft, which is a fall leaf crown. So what we have is a bunch of fake flowers, autumny ones like maple and some fall-y flowers, whatever these things are. And we're gonna use some sticks, or I don't know what you would call these. They're not quite sticks. Twine, hot glue gun, and then when I'm done making this video, I'm gonna do my mermaid photo shoot, and I will share some of those photos. So first, I'm going to open the twine. Don't know where the twine starts and ends. There. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna get these and make like a circle. I'm gonna make sure it's the size of my head. That seems about right. So I'm gonna tie there. I found these just in my backyard. Now we're gonna start wrapping it around. Uh-oh, it's getting tangled. Hello!
Hello!
I'm doing a craft.
That cutie pie. I love you.
I love you too.
What time is it? You said
Just
you
gonna-
tested your car? I'm glad that's not a big problem.
So now the pieces are coming together, and I have to cut. Now I'm back to wrapping, but it makes it a little more difficult. Uh-oh. It broke.
It's like, hello.
So now we have this uneven circle, and we're gonna glue the leaves to it.
Hello, I'm Jay.
We're gonna cut the leaves off.
They're probably gonna edit me out, but I'm not sure.
I wouldn't dream of it.
Yay.
Snip, 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 snippity snip.
This is their favorite season. They take it very seriously. And you would
Right.
think it'd be summer, right? Mermaid and all, but no, it's fall.
I like summer too, but only when I get to go to the beach and go swimming. I don't know if I want to use these. They're too long and I don't have very many of them. Now you get to get creative with it and glue them however you want. This part's pretty self-explanatory. Just glue and, uh-oh, glue and stick with glue sticks. Ow! And that was my first time burning myself for this project. Won't be the last, I'm sure.
Over here. Just edit out my voice, okay?
Ow! Second
I'm
time.
sorry, everyone. Wait. It's him. God dang it. I
Ow.
keep making noise.
This already looks really cute. I'm excited. You can get fall flowers, twine, glue sticks, and now you can even get a glue gun from the Dollar Tree. So this project didn't cost much at all. Actually, most of the stuff we already had at my house, and then the little nature-y part that I found outside. So it's a cheap craft for a cool outfit. This would work for elf or gnome or goblin king or something, some cool fantasy thing like that. So many things you could do with this crown. For me, it's an autumny mermaid. And I would like to take pictures in a leaf pile. Well, you get the idea. I'm just gonna keep gluing them all around. I just burned my fingers real bad and now I'm all gluey. That was not fun. We are down to the last two leaves. Let's see if I can do this without burning myself. Careful. Careful. I don't think I want to use the flowers. I think I like just the leaves. Last leaf. Yay! Ow! Work on the shape. I'm gonna let it sit for a minute. Ta-da! It is all done. And that's how you make an adorable fantasy folly leaf crown. Okay, it's time to do my fall mermaid photo shoot. And I did some fancy makeup. What do you think? Okay, well that photo shoot went really well. My boyfriend came outside and I was like, hey, you might as well take some photos for me while you're here. So he did. And now I'm gonna show you the results. Okay, well that concludes this video. I'm wishing you guys all a happy spooky season and a magical day. Bye bye.